Sweetie,
Yes, babe.
I think I need to sail this car.
Why, babe?
You say why? Have you forgotten that I lost my job ever since this COVID-19 lockdown started? And there is no other mist of income for us.
Baby, I rebuke it. I rebuke it. I rebuke it in Jesus' mighty name.
What are you rebuking? Do we have money to pay for our children's school fees? Also, our house rent is by the corner.
God will make a way for us. Let's keep praying.
Are you all my person?
That reminds me. A friend of mine in the office told me about Aida.
Aida?
Yes, Aida.
What is Aida?
African Investors in Diaspora Association.
That sounds great. What about that?
I remember you used to talk a lot about agriculture.
Yes.
Baby, this is the time you need to attend the upcoming Aida Agric intervention training in Thailand.
Thailand?
Yes, African Investors in Diaspora Association in conjunction with Nigeria in Diaspora Organization, Thailand chapter, presents 21 to 30 days international practical workshop,
Really?
where you will learn A to Z knowledge of fishery, A to Z knowledge of poultry farming, A to Z of fish and chicken feed production, A to Z of rice farming.
Sweetie, don't talk too much. I am interested. What are the requirements?
Requirements are so simple. Your visa fee, 50,000 naira. Training fee plus, hotel room for 2 persons, 400,000 naira. Flight ticket fee, 400,000 naira. Miscellaneous, 150,000 naira. Overall cost, 1 million naira. Optional training tool, 500,000 naira. Please take note, if you are paying for optional training tools, all you need to pay is 750,000 naira as the overall half of 1.5 million naira. Or pay 500,000 naira. 50% off 1 million naira. Means that you will have to pay another 500,000 naira and a total of 1 million naira for the overall package. If you pay 50% of the overall cost to African Investors in Diaspora Association, like Mr. Zion did, then African Investors in Diaspora Association will pay the remaining 50% of the total package. Meaning, if you pay 50% 500,000 to 750,000 naira into African Investors in Diaspora bank account, or pay $1,500 per $2,000 into African Investors in Diaspora Association domiciliary account. This way, Mr. Zion, it's time for us to board the plan.
Yes, sir. I am right behind you. I can't wait to get to Thailand.
This is subject to alter according to current currency exchange rate at the payment time. Kindly, confirm before proceeding to payment. Account details will be made available on request via the following phone numbers: 07.
I know the African Investors and Diaspora Association direct phone numbers.
Really?
The number to call are 070436377071 or 081773850006.
The trips is in batches of 20 candidates. Note, at the conclusion of the training you will be returning with an internationally recognized certificate from the university. The training venue will be in Maeo University, Chiang Mai, Thailand. The university is one of oldest agriculture university in Thailand, founded in 1934. Congratulations on completing your training.
Thank you, sir. Most especially a big thank you to African Investors in Diaspora Association for giving me this privilege. Wow! I am done with my training. Can't wait to put everything I had learned into practice. Let me tell you a bit about Thailand on the map. Thailand is located on the vast continent of Southeast Asia, in what is known as Indochina Peninsula, that is right above Malaysia, who is right above Singapore, and next door to Cambodia to the east, Laos to the northeast, and Myanmar, Burma, to the west.
What are you waiting for? Call us now, 070436377071, or 081773850006. Our office address or display on the screen. Note, there will be question and answer series on this channel with a giveaway price for 10 winners daily.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so by click subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon for new video notification.
Thanks for watching Mead TV.